Hi there, my name's Elaine Harkness. I'm a research fellow at the University of Manchester, and I'm just giving a very short video about a project that we've been awarded funding for, working with Professor Sue Astley, also at the university, and we're working on a project called Predicting Outcomes of Stratified Screening Using Microsimulation, or POSSUM. So currently, there's a lot of interest in developing risk-adapted screening programs where women are screened depending on individual risk factors such as mammographic density. However, it's only practical to investigate a small number of options in clinical trials. So microsimulation modelling can generate a large cohort of women who are representative of the breast screening population. And we plan to use something like this to model different input and output parameters, for example, different personalised screening programmes to help improve patient outcomes and to optimise resources. In the Canadian breast screening programme, microsimulation has been shown to provide estimates similar to those from clinical trials. So microsimulation models use data from lots of different sources, so for example from randomised controlled trials, from observational studies, from routinely collected statistics, and also expert opinion to help reflect real-world and current information. And they can be dynamic, reflecting new data and changes that occur over time. So the advantages of this approach are that they can investigate different screening scenarios and address multiple research questions. And thus, they have the potential to fine-tune the stratification of screening based on breast density, building on current randomised controls, investigating screening strategies in women with high breast density, such as BRAID and MyPEBs. And such methods will also facilitate the planning of future trials to enable optimal selection of screening parameters. So, as a part of this study, the POSSUM study, we aim to adapt a microsimulation model, OncoSim Breast, which was originally designed for breast screening in Canada. And we aim to adapt that model by incorporating data from the United Kingdom. We hope to validate that adapted microsimulation model, POSSUM, on NHS screening data, and then also to help predict outcomes of UK-based risk-adapted screening using POSSUM. So hopefully that will give you, it's given you a little bit of an idea of what we hope to do with the funding that we've received, and thank you.